Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make a cheap skin exfoliator which can make your skin face glow and if you experience acne. So these are the products that we're going to use. We're going to use mealy meal, we're going to use aloe vera, some honey, and a clean bowl for mixing in our ingredients. So we're starting with 50 grams of our mealy meal or cornmeal. And we are also going to add in our aloe, that is 2 grams of our aloe, and also going to add in our honey, and make sure that you mix well so that your product is well blended. You can ditch the expensive exfoliator cream and try more natural and just as effective at removing dairy, oil, dead skin from your face, all made from ingredients you can easily access. Cornmeal contains antioxidants, zinc, iron, and folic acid, which are great additions to a natural routine. So cornmeal is a well-known means of gentle exfoliating and activating skin. Both like cornmeal and cornstarch are effective ingredients in home remedies for acne and problem skin. So at this point, I've just finished. We are going to use our hands just to rub it on our face. So aloe vera protects the skin from damaging effects of radiation. It contains 98% of water, which help moisturize, soothe, and hydrate the skin. It helps to make the skin more supple and flexible. It has a cooling effect on rashes or sunburn. So aloe actually is good for acne, sunburn, swelling, minor burns, skin wounds, fungal infections such as ringworms, eczema, or atopic dermatitis, rosacea, skin or chemically damaged skin or wrinkles. Honey is actually a good ingredient for natural remedies because naturally takes off dead skin, dry skin, and honey can help moisturize your skin and protect, dry skin from infection, and it works as a mild exfoliator and can help remove dry, dead skin, and it will help you to moisturize your skin and help the skin retain moisture and provide softer and smoother skin with less dryness. So you need to continue exfoliating gently, without hurting your skin, like in circular motions, so that you don't hurt your skin. So like this is a gentle exfoliator. Like friends, actually this is my first time ever using cornmeal exfoliator, and like I did a research because I was looking into cornstarch because I didn't have access to cornstarch. So like when I was doing a research, I came across the benefits of cornmeal. So at this point, we are done. We are going to the shower and rinse out our exfoliator. So like it worked so well. Look at that, our skin is glowing. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So I'm going in with my favorite oil for the face, that is carrot oil. So carrot oil is rich in vitamins and it can improve your skin in many ways. Whether you have dry, acne prone, sensitive skin, like it's rich in vitamin A, carotenoids. Carrot oil helps give you your skin a natural radiant complexion. It also has light content of antioxidants and help fight skin aging, and it is effective ingredient whether used in for the face oils or the body. So at this point, I massage it in gently using my hands. In fact, I've done a video on how you can make cold pressed carrot oil. I'll link it in the description box below. Next, I'm going in with this hyaluronic face moisturizer. Actually, I formulated this. I'll link the video in the description box below. So hyaluronic does so much more than boosting skin moisture levels. Hyaluronic acid is the sugar molecule that occurs naturally in the skin. It helps to bind moisture to collagen, trapping it in the skin so that the skin can appear plumper, dewer and more hydrated as we age. So we lose, collagen, and hyaluronic acid naturally provides those with dry, more mature skin to benefit as we age. The body lose less of it. So now I'm going in with sunscreen. So sunscreen will actually help prevent, early aging. It will prevent cancer. It will prevent, powerful rays or UV rays. So it will really help your skin like to look healthy, and also to help your skin not to age prematurely. So rub it in, dab it in gently on your skin. Yeah, so like you need to apply sunscreen every day, whether it's in colder season, winter season. It is very important to apply your sunscreen because it will help your skin to remain youthful, moisturized and smooth, and that glow. And no one wants to age prematurely, right? But we can't run away from, getting wrinkles because they come inevitable. But you wouldn't want to have, wrinkles when your time is not yet up. Yes, so now at this point we are done. That is how our face looks like. It looks so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, dear friends. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in our next video.